Howdy folks, Spencer here, and a short time ago I learned that the June 19th PC patch brought with it changes to the Fleet Power Network Array console from the Tier 6 Awani command carrier. This change has resulted in this console losing the ability to stack. Now only the largest application on the target player will apply. I'd like to assume that this is an accidental change, but a change like this, 15 to 16 months out from release, does feel intentional. Ultimately, this change will not directly impact most users, as the only environment where you consistently see fleet power being stacked is in coordinated environments such as DPS record runs, in which you will have 4 supporting players applying it to the DPS player, with the DPS player then having a total of 5 stacks, enabling energy weapons to fire at insane speeds. So if this change was not an accident, then it is a nerf targeted at a few dozen players in the game, and the question then is why? Why spend development time on something this niche instead of fixing some actual issues? There are still issues with the recent releases like the 15th bundle, such as the consoles from the Pioneer 2 and the Arc Royal still performing very poorly. Why not have it in the patch notes? Why not focus on improving the server performance issues which have been ongoing since way before Fleet Power was added to the game? The point is, if this was not an accident and it was intentional, then their priorities are not in line with making this game better, and that is a pretty big issue. But I'm getting ahead of myself here. There's still a chance this was an accident, and I think it's best to wait for a response to see if further discussion is needed on that topic. And that's it for now. Again, this doesn't impact the majority of users, but if it is an intentional change, then it does concern all of us. And as always, thank you to all channel members and viewers for the continued support. See you guys around.